I'm going to install the front license plate bracket of this Lexus ES 300H. If you see, this plate comes, this bracket comes with the car. And if you see here, you will see tiny indents. One is this one here. This is where it is. And there's another one here. This one, yeah. And the plate has 4 holes, the bracket has 4 holes for screws. Here, the license plate will attach, and these one, this and this. These will rest on these indents, and then you can screw the bracket using any of the screws. I had these Phillips type screws, approximately 3/4 inch long, and they are self-tapping, so hopefully it should be a good and easy fit. Let's see how it goes. So these clamps will fit one here, and then these holes will line up with these indents. One is here and one is here. Let's see if I'm able to get it done right in the first go. Yeah. So this is snapped in place. And now I'm going to install these screws. Just gentle, because you are tightening metal screws into plastic, so don't use force. This should be fine. Now I'm going to install the license plate on it. So it's easy, you can do it yourself. Thanks for watching.